very nice and interesting. What I liked it was very systematically explained and clearly, very articulately, descriptive, and we could understand it pretty well, theoretically well, with the examples that you have, shared with us. I'm looking forward for seeing how the sessions are going to take us further as we've laid the foundation of this particular course, right? So you very, very lovelily you've taken us throughout the program, which is really nice. What I look forward, how deep are we going to go into in finding strategies and working with children of different variations. So that's something I'm looking out for. This is the course that I've joined after a very long time online. It's a good experience. I really like it and looking forward to enrich myself in this program to help many more children.